Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO Precision Electric Screwdriver Set. So we got a charging cables, USB-A to USB-C. And it comes with a nice darkened out case. That is pretty cool. So here is the screwdriver. Nice, so it actually has a light on the front as well. Got a whole bunch of bits. We got our Phillips, got a couple more Phillips. We got a flathead and a hex. We got 2 full rolls of Torx, another flathead. We got a triangle head and 2 more hex. So what I like about these things is that they're just very easy to handle. Unlike something like an impact driver, this is almost like holding a pencil in your hand. It's not going to have nearly the amount of torque that you would get out of an impact driver, but it's not really what these are designed for anyway. These are mostly designed for assembly and disassembly of small projects. So it is capped on the end, and we got our USB-C port right there on the side. So it has 3 LEDs that light up, and then it looks like a spring-style chuck. Yeah, so that is just a friction hold on there. And this is kind of interesting. There's actually a magnetizer right here on the case. So if you ever need to grab onto a screw or something like that, you're afraid that you might drop it, just hold it on here, and now we are magnetized. So for small projects that you just don't want to be spending a lot of time on, yeah, there we go. So I know that's not going to be over torqued, and especially if you have to run a screwdriver all day, this is going to really help to make sure that you're not going to be fatiguing your hands. So these things are awesome. That's cool. So it looks like the case itself is magnetized. So I was thinking that these were clips. It's actually not a clip, it's actually a magnet holding that down. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice driver.